Hare Krishna, welcome to Radharani's kitchen. Today I am here with a rainy season special evening snacks. It is the yellow split peas fritters and is locally known as the Matar daler Bora or dal Pakoda. So let's get started with the recipe. For this I have taken half cup of yellow split peas. I have soaked them in water for 3 to 4 hours. After 3 hours, the dal has soaked in enough water and it looks like this. Put it in a blender and make a coarse paste out of it. No need to add water while making the paste. After blending, the paste should be like this. You can see it's not a smooth paste. Add salt as per taste, a pinch of asafoetida or hing, 1/4 teaspoon of kalonji, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. Give it a nice mix. Since we have blended it, whipping is not required. If you make the paste in a traditional way, then you should whip it for few minutes. Heat oil in a pan and drop in small size balls out of the batter and fry them on medium flame. Once the fritters turn golden brown from the bottom, turn them and fry them until they are golden brown from all sides. In about 2 to 3 minutes, our fritters have turned golden brown and are ready to be taken out. Let's add a zing to our fritters. For this, I am adding finely chopped chili and 1/8 teaspoon of ginger paste to the remaining batter. Mix them nicely and drop in small balls in hot oil as before. Once they turn golden brown from all sides, take them out. These fritters are very crispy and delicious. So let's do the plating now for offering to the Lord. Offer it to the Lord with the chutney of your choice and enjoy piping hot fritters. Hare Krishna.